Now is we're going to add a product to the database. So what we do is use one of the 5 buttons down here. As you see, if you run your cursor over it, it comes up with a control tip, which in this case is add new product. So just click that button there. Now we'll add an MCB, so I want to type MCB start and double colon, and then go to the site I use. Now I need to add a 20 amp Hager MCB, so I'm just going to copy that across there, copy the name into there, and then select here consumer units MCB, so that's the category it belongs in, and then each, as it's individual items that are purchased, is a stock item. As you can see, you've got 3 buttons: product usage, office, stock, and tools. Tools is obviously tools you use day in, day out. Office is like paperwork, anything, pens, pencils, whatever, anything that stays in the office, you need for the office, goes in there. And but we're going to stock discontinued. Well, that's obvious. Yeah. Now we need to select the supplier. So in this case, I'm going to use TLC, and we go to their site, which is already brought up. It's important you actually copy the product code correctly, because that is going to be used when interacting with the suppliers on a purchase order. So that's very important you get that correct. And you paste it in here. But if you forget to paste it, it will come up with a message. Both, if you see, it tells you supplier and the cost price needs to be added. So you add the code. Now we need to find out how much it's going to cost. It's obviously important you actually get the price right as well. It's £2.50. So let's add the price to that. 2.50. Right. Now it's normally next day, so that's okay. These numbers will change as you're using a database could be on a daily basis. The units on order and back order. Those I'll explain a little bit later. Now you've got this, you need to actually use, if you've got more than one supplier for a product, what I've done is I've arranged to calculate the average price. So if you've got two suppliers, one supplying them at a unit at £2.50, another supplying it at £2.35 or 40, I can calculate the average by clicking the button there, just down the bottom, update average price. And what you see the net price here, I've just highlighted. That price, you get that updated from here. So you don't need to actually type anything in, it's all worked out for you. I set a margin which is set in preferences. So when you first start the database up, you set the preferences to whatever margin you want, which is obviously your profit level. You could be 0% if you want, it doesn't really matter to me. The VAT is obviously you pay VAT when you purchase anything from a supplier, so I've included that as well. In this case, it's going to cost you 50p for that particular item on 20% VAT, so that's £3. It calculates everything together and it works out what your profit will be after you've paid for the unit. It will tell you your profit is going to be £4.14. You can use that by just clicking the update unit price, which if you see, it's now put the unit price to £4.14. Right, so you don't need to actually use the calculator if you don't want to. You can actually add whatever price you want. So, but it's just something I added, which hopefully you'll find useful. Now, if you want to search for a product, and just click about the search button there. Any products for, say, this supplier, or no, let's choose a category. Let's choose a category. CCTV. And we've only got one item in CCTV, so let's try another one. Cables. I know we've got loads of items for cables. You see the product code. All we got to do is, when you find what you want, just click the item, and it will take you to that item. And that's basically it for the products. Don't forget you can have as many suppliers as you want. I'd recommend putting the actual item is in the first part of the name and be very specific as to the supplier if a unit is required for a specific item. Other than that, it's all on you. Bye.